All right, we got this really nice Jocisland upholstered platform bed frame. This one is queen size. I really love this bed frame. The first thing I want to do is I want to come over here to the headboard right here. This is a very nice headboard. I really like the headboard. I like the material. It's very soft and padded right here. And then you come up here, you got these nice little grommet vibes going on up here. It's a nice design element. I feel like little pieces, little design elements like this, they add a layer of a vibe to this. And so I really like that. Then you want to come back here just to get a vibe of what's going on back here. Obviously, it's going to be up on the wall, but I want to show you. You see there's a C there. Come down here, there's a Y. Every piece of this platform bed is lettered. Some of them even have numbers. That way you know how to put it all together. It's very easy to put together, very easy to follow the instructions that it comes with. But come down here, you got these nice little rivets right here that are Velcroed. They're Velcroed on the side right here, on that side. But it keeps the bed nice and sturdy, just a very nice bed frame. Then I'm gonna actually come out to the front. It's also like this on the side over there on both sides, but the same material, same softness of the headboard. But all in all, this is just a very nice bed frame. The last thing I want to point out is I'm about 5'11". I think this is about 53 inches, just for reference of how tall this is. Just a very nice bed frame, and I highly recommend it to you.